Today we have a new lesson. It is about vocabulary related to hobbies. Let's start by doing a review of the use of going to in a negative form. Here is the example. He isn't going to read a book. She isn't going to read a book. Or Mark isn't going to relax this afternoon. Sue isn't going to play tennis. I am not going to work late tonight. We are not going to do our homework. Or you are not going to watch TV. As you know, we use going to express ideas that are related to the future. We use going to for prediction or for intention. Now let's try to answer this question. What's your favorite hobby? For example, my favorite, for example, color is blue. My favorite song is a slow song, or my favorite dish is couscous. What is your favorite hobby? For example, my favorite hobby is listening to music. What about you? Can you answer this one? Yes, that's right. You can have, for example, dancing, playing football, watching movies or reading novels, going on trips, for example, traveling, or collecting, for example, good photos or taking photographs. Here are some other examples of things that you can have as hobbies. For example, playing golf, listening to music, photograph, taking photographs, okay, cooking sometimes. Let's try to listen and repeat the vocabulary items on the screen. The first one, playing computer games. Can you repeat? Playing computer games. Number 2, playing musical instruments. Number 3, drawing pictures. Number 4, listening to music. 5, reading. 6, cooking. 7, reading a book. 8, playing craft. Now try to read and match the words with the pictures. You have a group of words and a group of pictures. Try to match them or link them with each other. Take 3 minutes, pause the video, and take your time, then write down your answers on your notebook. Now please check and compare your answers with the answers provided to you. The first picture, what is he doing? He is playing computer games. In this picture, what is she doing? She is playing musical instruments. What is she doing? She is drawing pictures. What is he doing? He is listening to music. Garden. This one is cooking. This one is reading a book. They are playing draughts. Let's try to answer this question, which is, what are your hobbies? What are yours? Can you provide me with your answers, or tell me about your hobbies? Yes, you can try to see your hobbies. Now let's see the some examples on the screen. The first one, I have one hobby. I absolutely love cooking. My hobbies are playing board games and solving all kinds of puzzles. I am a photographer. What is your favorite hobby? You may have different hobbies, but you have the best hobby that you like, or the one that you like more. For example, hello, my favorite hobby is music. I sing and play the guitar. Try to answer these questions. The first one, do you draw pictures? Here is an example of a girl drawing a picture. So you can answer yes, I draw pictures. No, I don't draw pictures. Do you write translation? Here is an example of a translation. Do you use it? Yes, I use translation, or no, I don't use translation. Here is a notebook made by Tariq. Try to look at it and answer the questions that are on the screen. Number 1, does Tariq draw pictures? 2, does he use translation? 3, does he write the pronunciation? 4, does he use new words in sentences? 5, does he write a title to his word list? 6, which of these methods do you use to note new vocabulary? Take 2 minutes to think about the answers. Write down your answers, then check and compare the answers that you provide with the answers provided to you on the screen. Here are the answers. From 1 to 5, you can answer with yes, he does. Number 6, send me your answers. So if you are using a specific technique, write it down and send it to me in a message. This way is very good to memorize new words. You can try to write a word, a title, and draw a picture, and use translation also, and use the word that you want to present in a sentence. For example, Tariq used, my favorite hobby is stamp collecting. You can write or create an example like this one, and then send it to me in order to give you a feedback. Thank you for your attention. This quality day. See you next class.